Hi. In this video, I will show you the best software to track clicks for Facebook and Google Ads. ClickMagick is a link tracking and attribution service used in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, and other online marketing endeavors in 2024. It helps users track where website traffic comes from and understand which clicks convert into sales or leads. So, once you are on the home page, go to Campaigns. Then click right here and go to URL Builder. Now here, you need to add your source. I am using Facebook. Add medium. Add campaign. Add term. And add content here. So the next step is to save and copy the URL. Click on URL Manager, and you can also get it here. Just copy the link and go to your Facebook Ads Manager and paste it into the website URL, and that's it. Now, if we go back to the campaign, and you can see that ClickMagick tracks visitors, ad spend, revenue, profit, action, and all the information of your link. If you want to use ClickMagick for free, then click the link in the description below to use the 14-day free trial. Thanks for watching our video.